So this is question from GATE 2014 electronics branch set 4 for 1 mark. So we have to find the output Y of the circuit. So this is the output. So these are 3 transistors and their inputs, and these are the gate terminals because the input voltages are always applied at the gate terminals. So this is the gate terminal of a transistor, this is the gate terminal and this is the gate terminal. And this circuit consists of 2 parts. See, one part is between this output voltage and ground. One part is between output voltage and ground. So these transistors are called as NMOS transistors. They are connected between output voltage and ground. And the second part is between voltage VDD and output. So these are the PMOS transistors. These are the PMOS transistors. These 3 are the PMOS transistors. And these are the gates of these transistors. See, C bar is applied at the gate of this transistor, B is applied at the gate of this PMOS transistor, and A is applied at the gate of this PMOS transistor. So the circuit consists of PMOS and NMOS transistors. So this is a CMOS circuit, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. CMOS is made up of PMOS and NMOS. PMOS plus NMOS. So this is a complementary metal oxide semiconductor or CMOS circuit. PMOS is also called as pull-up network. Pull-up network. Pull-up network, and NMOS is also called as pull-down network. NMOS is also called as pull-down network. Also, this is the source of this transistor. This is the drain terminal of this transistor. Source is always connected to VDD in PMOS transistor, and this is the drain of this transistor NMOS, and this is the source of this transistor. This is the drain of this source, again drain and source. So this is the drain of this transistor, this is the source of this transistor, this is the drain of this transistor, this is the source of this transistor, and this is the drain of this transistor, and this is the source of this transistor. So this is source and drain of this transistor, this is source and drain of this transistor, and this is source and drain of this transistor. So source is connected to VDD, and here source is connected to VDD, and here source is connected to ground. So in NMOS, output of this circuit Y will be equal to the complement of NMOS part. So in NMOS part, A, B and C bar are connected in series. So Y will be equal to A dot B dot C bar and whole bar. Also, one thing is that the NMOS part and PMOS part are always complement of each other. So in NMOS, A, B and C bar are connected in series. In NMOS, A, B and C bar are connected in series. So in PMOS, A, B and C bar are connected in parallel. These 3 transistors are in parallel, and in NMOS these 3 transistors are in series. So in CMOS circuit, the PMOS part and NMOS part are always complement of each other. Hence it is called as complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Also, NMOS turns on when gate voltage is high. NMOS is on when gate voltage is high, and PMOS is on when gate voltage is low. So output Y is the short trick to find the output Y is equal to find the NMOS logic and complement it. So A dot B dot C bar, they are connected in series. So A dot B dot C bar and their invert. So output Y will be equal to A bar plus B bar plus C. So this is the output of this circuit. So this is very easy circuit. It is from CMOS topic. So just take the NMOS logic A dot B dot C bar and complement it. And NMOS is connected between output and ground, and PMOS is connected between VDD and output. So this is the CMOS logic. So thank you, and if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment box. Also, please share your feedbacks and suggestions. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you and best of luck for exams.